Hello guys, here's again Lil quick reviews with another video. Last time, I showed you my Phoniebox project. Since it might be interesting to know some more about the components that were used, I'll make reviews for all of them separately, starting here with the audio part. With the audio you have two possibilities. 1. Use a simple USB speaker. 2. My preferred one. Use a big simple speaker in combination with the Adafruit Speaker Bonnet. You surely wonder why I prefer using the speaker bonnet over the USB speakers. USB speakers are easily installed and cheap, but I find the simple speakers to have a better quality and also a better fit for my projects. The prices may be 10% higher, but I would always go for the Adafruit Speaker Bonnet plus a simple speaker. Also you will learn a lot more with the bonnet, because you need to do a little bit of soldering and setup. The hardware setup is really easy, but I'll explain it step by step. First, you need to solder the plus and minus pole attachments to the Adafruit Speaker Bonnet as well as the plug-in for the pins, because they come loose from production. Second, simply plug the speaker bonnet onto the Raspberry Pi. Simply make it fit, so that your bonnet doesn't exceed the Raspberry Pi size and so that all pins are tucked in. Third, solder some plus and minus wires to your speaker of choice and tuck them into the bonnet's attachment. All set. The next thing to do is installing the required software. For this, open up the console and paste the script that I put below into the description. Let it install and reboot your Pi 2 times. After this, make sure that your device can be found by the Pi using the aplay command. If this is the case, finally check in asound if it is available as audio output. It should more or less look like this in the end. Now, turn up the volume and enjoy your Raspberry Pi music. It's really important for me that I recommend products only if I am absolutely convinced of them and when I am sure that they will be of help to other people. For the Adafruit Speaker Bonnet, I can testify that this is the case, and if you feel that this would represent a great addition to your project, go grab one. If you don't feel too well about soldering, consider grabbing simple USB speakers then. My second video. Hope you liked the little review on the Adafruit Audio Bonnet and hope to see you soon again for another video.